Hey everybody, I'm Doug Williams. I'm your teacher for HPR 1613. This class is Physical Education for Elementary School Teachers, and this is a hybrid course. So I want to talk to you a little bit about how to navigate this course, tell you a little bit about what the semester is going to be like, and introduce you to what a hybrid course is. Maybe you've taken a hybrid course before. Maybe this is your first hybrid course. A hybrid course is one where half of the course and really the way this is designed is half of the course is done face-to-face in a classroom with me, and half the course is done online. So every week you'll have classes twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday at 8 o'clock in the morning with me, and then throughout the week you'll have assignments that you have to do through Canvas online. So it's the combination of online and face-to-face that makes this course a hybrid. You will be recorded attendance 3 times per week. So you're recorded attendance for face-to-face class on Tuesday, for the face-to-face class on Thursday, and then I record attendance on Sunday based on whether you did your online work or not. In order to be counted present for the week, you have to have completed at least one assignment online. So if you go online and you look at the work but you don't complete anything, you're going to be counted absent. So make sure that every week you go in and do that. I will be reminding you about this work each week in our face-to-face classes. But every Sunday night at midnight is when all the online work for that week is due. So let me just take a minute and kind of show you around what you'll be doing in the online environment. This is our course. This is the home page of our class. The way to navigate the course through Canvas is to go to modules. So I'll click on this modules button here. That's going to take me to the modules page. I've organized this in a weekly fashion. This is an 8-week course, so it's organized through the weeks. You can see there's some introductory stuff about how to do online courses at Hines, and some places that you can get help and some resources. But then I've organized it into these weeks. So I have the dates here. This may not be your semester. This may be a previous semester, but I'll have the dates on your course for the exact week that you're working on. In the first week, there's just some introductory things that I want to show you to make sure you understand how to use the gradebook, how to navigate this course. This video you're watching is actually right here. The only assignment online this week is a getting to know you assignment. This is a discussion, so if I click on it, I've kind of done a sample introduction, so I'm introducing myself to the class. You can see here the discussion post has to be at least 100 words, so as you type in to the discussion reply, you can see it here. If I click reply, it opens up this box for me, and down here it will count my words. So as I type, you can see it's updated the number of words. So you need to type 100 words for each discussion. And every week you'll do 2 posts. So the first post on this one, you'll be introducing yourself to the class. So you're going to tell us about the class. That's me and my son Benaya and my daughter Lily. But you'll also reply. So you're going to reply to somebody else. So another one of your classmates is going to introduce themselves, and then you'll go in and you'll say, "Hey Johnny, welcome to class. I'm glad that you're in this class. You went to Brandon High School. I also went to Brandon High School." You'll do that, but it also have 100 words there, so you'll get a real discussion going, which will help each of you get to know each other better. So modules is the way that you'll navigate. The first week there's not a whole lot to do. You'll see in the second week we start getting some more assignments. So here's some things to prepare. There's a discussion about your history with PE in elementary school, so you're going to tell us all about what PE in elementary school was like for you. There's some quizzes about the value of physical education, and there's a case study where you'll use your textbook. Your textbook is on your bookshelf. So you'll click right here on bookshelf to find your textbook. You just click on bookshelf and it'll open it up. Real simple. There's your book. You just click on the book and you can flip around to the pages. It's pretty easy to navigate. Another thing I want you to see is how the grade book is working. So I've taken this and split it up into some different types of assignments. You'll see some dates here. Again, this may not be your semester, but these dates, once every week, we're going to go into the gym and I'm going to run a physical education lesson plan with you. So one week we'll do a first grade lesson plan, another week we'll do a second grade lesson plan, but I give you a grade here for participating in that. Typically that's going to be on Thursdays, sometimes it's on Tuesdays. So once a week you'll get a grade for participating in class, unless you don't do a very good job of participating or you don't show up. That day. So there's a lot of different assignments in the class, and I have split this up so that the different assignments have different weights. So this is just a look at the assignments. So your normal assignments that you do every week are 30% of your grade. You can see here there's a discussion every week. That's going to be 10% of your grade. There are 3 different tests in the class. Those count a total of 30% of your grade. There's an essay. So in week 2, we have an essay, a 5-paragraph essay that's 10% of your grade. It's important that you do well on that. And then there's these class partition grades that you'll get throughout the semester, and that's going to be 20% of your grade. So that's how I come up with your total grade for the class. So hopefully this helps show you kind of how to navigate the course and what you're going to be dealing with throughout the semester. I will go over this every week in class, so you'll know what's coming. But hopefully this helps to answer some questions on what it's like to take a hybrid class.